Let us see our next chapter is the probability. Probability is a quantitative measure that can happens the number of outcomes. That is, what is meant by a event? Event nothing but the collection of some or all the items of a random experiment is called an event. Next, the definition of probability is number of favorable outcomes number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. That is, in our class 9th we studied about the probability, the basics. That is, what is nothing but a sure event? Probability of an sure event. The probability of a sure event is always is equals to the 1. What is meant by a non-sure event? That is, in a random experiment, the outcomes which is not possible or impossible are called non-sure event. That is, probability is always positive which lies between 0 and 1. That is, 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. That is, probability of an event is lies between 0 and 1. And one more definition, P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. Non-sure event is also we can express it as impossible event. That is, probability of an event plus probability of an impossible event is always is equals to 1. From this formula we can generate that P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E bar, or P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E. That is, suppose for example, the probability of passing the students in an exam is 0.98. The probability of passing the students in the examination is 0.8. Then what is the failures? That is 0.02. That is, which makes us 8 plus 2 10 1 1.1. Let us see the next object. Let us see the next example. The probability of passing the students in an examination is 0.01. 0.01, which is we can represent it with the P of E. Next, the probability of not passing the students P of E bar is equals to formula 1 minus P of E. That is 1 minus 0.01. That is 1.00, 0.01, 10 minus 1, 9, 9. That is 0.99 is the probability of the students which are not passing in the examination. Next, the probability of getting good marks in the examination is 0.43. That is, next, the probability of not getting the good marks in the examination P of E bar. That means, not means we are connecting with P of E bar. That is 1 minus P of E is the formula. That is, P of E bar is equal to 1 minus 0.43, that is 1.00 0.43, that is 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 4 5, that is 0.57. Students are not securing the good marks in the examination. Let us see some examples. When a coin is tossed, the number of outcomes are, about coins we are discussing now. Coins has two faces, head and tail. That is, when a coin is tossed, number of outcomes are 2 to the power 1, that is equal to 2. Next, when a coin is tossed twice, or two coins are tossed at a time, the number of outcomes are 2 to the power 2, that is a 4. Next, when a coin is tossed thrice, or three coins are tossed at a time, the total number of outcomes are 2 to the power 3, that is 8. Now, let us discuss these cases in detail. That is, when a coin is tossed, number of outcomes are 2 to the power 1, that is 2, that is head and tail. That is head and tail. Here no need to place any brackets here, only head and tail. It is a case 1. Next, case 2, when a coin is tossed twice, or when a coin is tossed 2 times, or 2 coins are tossed at a time, the number of outcomes are 2 square, that is a 4. That is, chances are, first chance true true, second chance true, that is a tail, next tail head, next head tail, next head, that is a pair. Just by looking at this one, you can identify that when a coin is tossed 2 times, or 2 coins are tossed at a time. Next, when come to the case 3, three coins are tossed, or a coin is tossed 3 times, the number of outcomes are 8. That is, write trail 4 times, after that 4 heads, that is 4 trails and 4 heads. After this one, half of the 4 is a 2, that is 2 trails, 2 heads, 2 trails, 2 heads. After that, the half of 2 is the 1, that is tail, head, trail, head, trail, head, trail, head. That is, this is represents group of 3. That means from this one you can understand easily that when 3 coins are tossed, or a coin is tossed 3 times.